A whole house.
Yo, who's in the house? What? Not necessarily. I mean, I asked the guy. I mean, obviously they're in distress. He said that we should be good on this side, but he's in distress, so he wasn't sure. I'm like, no, go. Oh my God. More people are coming out.
They're getting them out. Hi.
Oh my God.
Did you hear about the explosion by my house? We are okay. It was across the street.
I fell on the ground.
Yeah, Christian fell in the hall.
Like it shook so hard I fell. Oh my God.
Yeah, I'll give you an update. I just wanted you to know if you hear about a fire, an explosion, or a death, because there's 2 houses now on fire. The next door's on fire. We don't know if people were